guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I'm actually going to be preparing a couple of pieces today for my home decor for spring. So as you guys can see, I have a couple of palm leaves that I'm like rummaging through on my carpet. I got these palm leaves from Amazon. I'm gonna drop the link for that in the description. And then I also got some flowers and also some other stems that I also got from Amazon. So right now I'm just like stuffing some of these vases and stuff that I have here with these stems that I have. Like I said, practically all of them I got from Amazon. So the palm leaves was the main accent, and then I add like all of the other gold or white accent flowers or yellow flowers to the vases. So I noticed after I recorded or started to record the majority of the video in the beginning that some of the vases and everything was cut off. So hopefully you guys can see most of what I'm doing. You will get to see what I do for the main pieces as I get further down in the video. So right now, you guys are seeing that I'm pulling white flowers from the side. I got a bunch of stemless flowers, white and yellow roses from Amazon. I didn't realize that they were stemless until I got them. So if you guys saw my previous decor video, you've seen that I did like red and pink, which is for Valentine's Day. But I popped those stems out of those flowers and I used them, and because these flowers, the yellow and white ones, they are like felt. They're very like soft and cushiony. So it was easy for me to just stick the old stems into these flowers and create a stem of my own. So you guys see the clear vases that I'm sticking the palms into right now at the moment. I got these off of Amazon. Two of them are the same size, and the middle one is the bigger one. The gold vase that you see that I'm about to start stuffing with palm leaves right now, I got these off of Amazon. I'm gonna drop that in the link. You actually have to put that together, which wasn't hard at all. Yeah, so I'm actually, guys, all of this is improv for me. So I am just sticking the palm leaves at the back portion of the pillar vase, and then I am sticking the flowers in the front portion. So as you guys can see, each flower that I have, besides the gold ones, I'm sticking like a little stem into them at the bottom. The gold ones actually came with the stem, which was really helpful. So yeah, I have a couple of stems, and you see I'm sticking them in the white flowers at the moment, and the gold ones I can just easily stick into the styrofoam, right? I didn't glue the styrofoam inside the thing because you know, I just wanted it to be easier to take out. If you're doing more of a secure piece, because I'm gonna be having this in my house and I don't have to worry about anybody knocking it down or breaking it, I wanted to change it, right? So you guys can see how I displayed the flowers with the white and the gold and the yellow, right? And I'm gonna do the second one right now. So what I decided to do in the corner there, you see I'm hanging some palm leaves off of that flat flower bed. So now I kind of raised up the camera because I realized that I had it too low, and you guys can see that I'm sticking the stems into the yellow flowers at the moment, right? To give me enough yellow flowers in order to stuff into the next gold pillar vase, right? So I'm doing some yellow and I'm doing some white, and of course I will have the gold mixed in there. So you guys see me sticking the stem in a couple of them. Now I'm actually going to start sticking the flowers into the pillar. And what I did was I hanged a palm leaf in the front. I didn't do it to the first vase, but I like the idea in the second vase. So you guys are going to see a close-up of that later. But and then I decided, oh, this is a nice idea, and then I added it to the second vase. So you guys see me filling it up, right? Rearranging the flowers, placing them where I would like them to go. And then now you see me adding that palm leaf at the bottom. See, this is, and because I didn't glue the styrofoam down at the bottom, I was able to just raise it up and place the palm leaf there, right? So now you guys can see, right, how they look with the palm leaves sticking out at the back and then the palm leaf hanging in front of flowers in the middle. So you see those standing at the side. Now I have my flower bed. I actually did a look like this bed of roses for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna do a similar concept for the spring theme with those color flowers, the white, the gold, and the yellow. Put palm leaves hanging down on the edges. And this time I'm actually gonna make this my coffee table centerpiece instead of my dining room centerpiece. Right, so, right, I'm gonna start filling this whole bed of roses up with flowers and take a look. And as you guys can see, I actually pre-stuffed all of the flowers that I just pushed right by my foot prior to filming the video with the stems from the prior arrangements. So that way it makes it easier for me to just stuff the bed of roses instead of having to actually do all of that for while I'm recording the video. It kind of makes the process go by faster. I love this bed of roses concept. I wish I thought about it before. I actually saw this concept on an Instagram video one time, and I created that bed of roses vase from scratch, which I do have in a prior home decor video for Valentine's Day. You will see how I created that bed of roses. If you want to check that out, you can see how I created that base for the bed of roses. Now I'm actually, trying to figure out how I want to design the centerpiece, the main centerpice. So as you guys can see, I'm using E6000 glue. Now I ran and I put a mask on because this glue is very toxic, and it does take hours and hours and hours to dry. So I was still contemplating as I was putting the glue in the middle and the center of the 3 vases as I try to connect them, if the E6000 glue would make sense, especially because I really honestly didn't feel like waiting for this to dry. So I ended up thinking, okay, maybe I can just use a glue gun and glue them together and see if that would happen faster. So that's exactly what I ended up doing. So what you guys are gonna see here as I waited a little bit for it to dry. So I was thinking about my design on how I'm going to decorate the vase. So what I decided to do is the same stemless white roses. I decided to take this gold beads that I had and glue a bead on each on the center of each rose, you understand? And I measured how many roses I needed to fill up the space between each of the vases, the middle spaces. So I with the white flowers, I didn't decide to use yellow flowers or gold, only because with the white, I can alternate whatever flowers and everything that I can use. It uses as a unisex or universal type of vase, and I can use any type of flowers or arrangements within the vase because the vase is, it's white and gold flowers on there. All right, as I glue all the beads in the center of each one of these flowers. Alright, so I ended up deciding to use a glue gun, if you guys see. And I think that helped it glue a lot faster than I thought. Right, so I thought it was a better idea to use the hot glue gun, because then I can finish up the centerpiece and I don't have to wait till the next day to do it. So you guys see, as soon as I did that and I picked up the vase together, it was completely glued. So now I'm gluing the flowers on the spaces in between the vases, you know, to give it like a nice accent of the vase itself. Right, so as you guys see how it looks in the front, and then now I'm going to do the same thing in the back, so I can always flip the vase around on any side. Alright, now I'm going to start arranging the flowers in a way that I want them to look. I really wanted to have like a nice, you know, free island palm tree kind of look. So now I'm going to start, you know, creating pieces with some other small vases that I have, because I have all of these small areas in my house that can use a touch of an accent small vase or item. So I like to create multiple pieces so that way I can maneuver them around the house and put them in accent areas. So here I am. It's this little bucket vase that I've actually had for years. I got it back in Michael's maybe 6 or 7 years ago. It's been a long time, but I've been maneuvering with that vase, and it matches everything in the vase, and I just changed the flowers inside of it, so I love it. Alright, so you guys can see how I'm arranging the flowers in the vase. Put the palms first, put a palm leaf hanging in the front, and then put some of the accent flowers in the center. Right? Alright, so that's it, guys. Here you guys are seeing the actual initial gold vase I did, a close-up of the palm hanging with all the flower arrangements and the palm leaves in the back. So I didn't use any specific palm leaves, I made it, you know, my own. Here's another one, the middle accent piece with the flowers going on in the middle. Here's how it looks. Here's a close-up. And you guys, and you can have fun with it. You can do anything you want with these vases. Right, and this is the back. Right, this is a close-up of one of the smaller ones that I did. And then this is the close-up of the bed of roses. So you see the flowers and everything close up. And you see how these flowers are. They are like these felt soft flowers. And they look great. They're soft. Right, and here's a wider view of it. Alright, and here's a view of another smaller one that I did on my bookshelf. And you guys will see how this looks in my home decor video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. See you guys next time. And